Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You act now. Leave any ignition and ventilate the area by opening windows and doors. Next, locate the emergency gas valve near the meter or a red lever marked emergency. Once found, position your adjustable wrench on the valve stem so you can turn it quickly. Make sure to keep 1 to 2 meters clear of flames or sparks. Call emergency services and your gas provider immediately and tell them you are shutting off supply. This reduces risk while you prepare to. You now perform the critical shutoff. Place the wrench on the valve and turn it 1/4 turn so the handle is perpendicular to the pipe. This is the closed position. While turning, use steady, controlled pressure. If it resists, stop and try a different grip rather than forcing it and risking a break. Once closed, step back, keep windows open, and monitor air for any residual odor. Make sure no one lights anything. Once sealed, wait for qualified personnel to test and restore service. You finish by confirming the valve is fully across and by calling the gas company to report the shutdown. Make sure a certified technician inspects and restores the system. If, after closing the valve, you still detect gas or hear hissing, evacuate immediately and call emergency services from a safe distance. Do not re-enter. For follow-up, photograph the meter and valve position and note the time. This helps technicians and serves as documentation if repairs or claims are needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.